Hey guys, here Junior with Miami Corvette Reports. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the skirt on a C6, it's not an easy task. It could be done with a lot of patience, a couple guys, and heat guns. So I'm gonna turn the phone around and let you guys know what we're doing here to remove it. And so here we go. One of the guys is here heating up the skirt to remove it, or the rocket panel. Some people call it the rocket panel, other people call it the skirt. As you can see, we already unglued. You can see the glue right here. You have to heat it up with a lot of patience and start pulling it little by little. See, as you guys can see right here, we're doing the same thing on this side. And if you're not careful, we already cracked this one trying to remove it. We're still gonna complete the removal of it because it could still be used. And just do a little repair there. But as you can see, right now he's heating it up with the gun and then apply some pressure at the same time as we work on it. Like I said, guys, lots of patience. Or like they say in Spanish, mucha paciencia. Right, guys? My guys here, great guys working here, getting this done. Almost coming loose already from there. See. There you go. There you go. It just came loose from that spot right here. So now you guys can see inside there how it came loose already. See, the spot is right there. Okay. Okay, guys, here we go. The last spot. Gotta use the knife also. There we go. It's coming out. Bring it this way. Oh. A lot of glue. Okay. And this is the spots in the bottom that I was showing you guys. That I had a couple spots in the bottom. And then put it down. Along this edge right here is also glue that obviously stay in the car. Then see this white spot right here? This is also glue. This white spot, there is also glue there. Then the glue just stayed in this piece here on this side. And then coming over here, you got glue all the way in the corner here. And then all this white spot, that's where the glue is at. This is, let me show you on the car now. You can see, this is the glue right here. Right here, this is all the glue. All the glue on the edge, on the bottom edge. And then coming up, this is the spot that I was telling you guys before. And then all the way on the top. So, is it easy? No. Doable? Yes. Alrighty, guys.